This is Lake Malone. What a beautiful lake over there. And this is one of the additions to the family. This is Oakley Malone. If you've been with us on our trips to Bernheim Forest, you know about the Thomas Dambo trolls. This is a troll, but not exactly made of wood. We think it's some kind of fiberglass or plastic. Still huge, and we found out Oakley's favorite time of the year is fall. And all the leaves are changing colors. And he gets rid of that toe fungus. He's got his walking stick, and he's ready to go, like I think we need to go. There's a few others to check out, right? How many are out here?
I want to say there was 3 or 4, and then they added like 3 more. So
Okay.
we've got some looking to do.
Yeah, stay with us. Conveniently, there's another one just down the hill. I've got to say, this day is simply marvelous. My voice, I don't know what's going on with that. I think it's what they call the Kentucky crud. Allergies kick in and fall for me. I'm just curious, it says no swimming, no camping. What do you do here? I guess picnic. I guess. Unlike the trolls of Bernheim Forest, these are a lot closer together, and we are already at Oakley Malone. Bobber loves to fish. And that's a bobber. This guy's got some detail to him. I love these. These are so much fun. Just to come out and take a look at. You can bring the kids. You know they're going to love this. I know he's definitely got the vibe going on. Nice and chill. Just waiting for that line to bob.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries.
Got some folks enjoying the lake. Speaking of enjoying a lake, wow, like that rock. Can I get to that rock? I realize we're here for the big twigs, but yeah, it's so tempting. Easy does it. Gotta be careful. Don't want to be falling. I'm in boots. Not hiking boots. Regular old boots.
Bobber.
You gonna do this with me? Rock. That just looks so tempting. It's right there. We can climb up. Hold on. Hold that. The king of the mountain. I knew I could do it.
Now how are you going to get down?
Yeah, that's something I didn't consider. It's a lot
Slide down on your booty.
further down. Conquered. You can say it. Gem rocks. You got a few more to find, right?
Yes.
Okay.
2 down.
2 down. Not sure how many to go, but we're gonna have fun figuring it out. I guess it would have helped too. Got some information before we got here, but it's not an adventure. Bye-bye, bobber. So how long did it take us to get here?
It took about an hour and a half, I think. But we came back on some back roads that I think maybe made it a little bit longer for us.
I think Google had a idea that we lived here, you know, look. We're gonna take you the way the locals know.
It's beautiful here. I have never been to Lake Malone.
I don't know what the thing is lately with the trolls and the statues that they're building all over the place, but it's a happy little thing they're doing. And we found another one. I do believe he's catching a butterfly. I thought this was a bird on his shoulder, but I guess not. Just the way he's made. I love the cleverness that goes into these sculptures. According to someone we just met in the park, there are 6 total trolls altogether. We found how many now? 4?
We have found 3.
3 found. Yeah, another one's just down the road. The cinematic side of you is really getting workout today, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
This is a beautiful area. Oh, you had to get this on video, did you?
This is Jim trying to put back the fob.
Yeah, I dropped it, it just went. So
So,
now we get to put it back together because this is the only one we have with us to get us in the truck.
well, but we have a key, right? So we're okay.
Yeah, but
I mean, the key works.
it's just the point of the whole thing.
All right, well, you continue on. I'm going to take some pictures.
Okay.
What a gorgeous place. I am loving this place. The lake is magnificent. It's the most beautiful day. The lake looks like it's just beautiful blue. What a great day. This is our first weekend of fall here in Kentucky. We are about 64 degrees today, which is probably one of the most incredible times to be out. Yeah, we're loving it. Yay, fall. Can't wait to see more of what God has in store.
Okay, 2 in place. I'll have to just put the third one, and hopefully it's going to work. Keep your fingers crossed.
These are campsites, so you actually can get a camp here for the night. I think it has electricity, which is great. I don't see any water, but I do see where you can have a fire, a picnic table. This is a place for you to pull in. And we already have some people here. If you can see those blue tents way down there, gorgeous place to stay. And then you send the kids over to the playground, you got a perfect weekend.
Okay, Miss Smarty Pants. I've got everything back together, hopefully. Clicks. You didn't know these keys came apart, did you guys?
I want to see it work.
They do.
Ooh. But our windows are down anyway, so we could have gotten in even if we didn't
Blah,
have
blah,
a fob.
blah, yada, yada. Okay, this is kind of interesting. There's a knot in the tree, not on the tree. It's coming out of the ground. A knot out of the root. I have never seen that before. You guys ever seen that? Put in the comments if you have. That's just interesting to me how you have a knot on the ground coming out of the root. This, ladies and gentlemen, is where I put Vanessa. Up on
On
a
a stump?
pedestal. She calls it a stump. I call it a pedestal. Stump, really?
About as high as I could get up on the stump.
It's a pedestal, not a stump. Of course, this stump, I mean, pedestal is a lot taller if you want to get up on that one. Okay. In case you're wondering why we're kind of taking some time to get to the next one, there's a bunch of kids crawling all over it. You're not supposed to get up on them, but I guess when you're a kid, you just can't stop yourself. Come on, they're trolls. I think we've about decided we're gonna have to get an RV or something, at least a tent, right?
Definitely a tent.
Go camping. We watched this couple on YouTube. They have the most fantastic tents.
They do. The frame of it is actually air. Tubing is all the way around it, completely for air, and then everything zips. They've got a 3-bedroom they use. One for their bedroom, and then one for their living room, and I don't know what the other one's for.
That's where the husband gets to sleep whenever he's in trouble. That's what. Just kidding. And here he is, Watson Malone. Likes to catch fireflies, evidently. If you look inside, you can see the lights that light up at night, the little fireflies. You know, see them fairy lights? This is cool. I love the imagination. What, you're not going to pose with the man of the hour?
Not yet.
Watson?
Trying to find my perfect one. Look at his eyes. And then, of course, he's catching fireflies. Oh my goodness. I think I like him the most. I think it's the eyes. Eyes are beautiful. Can we have one in our backyard?
Why, sure, honey. Everybody needs a 20-foot statue in their backyard.
Exactly. You think the neighbors would be okay with that?
They don't mind me working on it till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning? No. Just need to get a whole bunch of popsicle sticks.
We just need a lot of land is what we
Something.
need. And then you can build them.
Popsicle sticks.
That'll be your retirement job. Building
Oh, yeah.
very strange people
Yeah. The neighbors will love that.
Kind of turned around right now. We don't know. We found 4 in the same place.
And they're really close together.
What I bet you, the last 2, we have no clue where we're going now.
We have no clue, but that's pretty par for off-ramp adventures. Just go. It's really kind of weird. I was trying to find a place to pull off and park, and though you've got all these picnic tables and things, there's no place to park. So I had to park kind of on the road. You don't want to park on the grass, because can you park on the grass? I don't know. I don't see any tickets on the windshield, so I guess we got away with it. Yeah, I kind of snuck into a camp spot to have a place to park, but we have come upon, I think, the last one. This evidently is Paige Malone. Let's see the details. Reading is Paige's favorite thing to do. She says it takes her to many places and teaches her so many things. Hey, it looks like Paige has your same interest.
Butterflies and reading.
Butterflies and reading. Speaking of butterflies, we did have some luck with the butterfly garden this year. It's kind of gone to rest though, right, hon?
Yeah, it pretty much has.
Yeah, well, next year. You can actually call these top knots, can't you? Because she's supposedly made of wood. And in case you're wondering, I think she's just starting the story.
I think we're missing one.
That's what's kind of nagging us, but we don't know where to look, and we're out of time. We come out on a Sunday and we just don't have time on a Sunday. I don't know why we do that. Because we always go somewhere
early.
so far away.
But we left early. Well, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, kind of, sort of.
We were out of the house about 10 this morning, so...
She said 9. Yeah, it was like 10:30, but you know.
It's beautiful out here. I could stay all day, but we have other commitments today. We hope that you really enjoy this. You'd have to be out here to see them, though, in person. They're pretty amazing, actually.
If you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. That really helps us grow. We'd really appreciate it. And remember, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days.
They should be getting to me any time now. Any time now. Hello? Hello?